Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming the essentials. Make sure your Mac's Mac OS and Apple Music app are updated, and you're signed into the same Apple ID on all devices. Once done, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth so devices can see each other. This speeds up local transfers. Now open the Music app on your Mac and connect your iPhone or iPad via cable or Finder if you prefer wired sync. This prepares both devices and avoids permission prompts later. With the device visible in Music or Finder, select it and choose your sync type. You can sync your entire library or select playlists, albums, and artists. Make careful selections because syncing replaces or merges content based on your choice. If you want granular control, enable manual management to drag specific songs or playlists. Also check storage estimates so you don't run out of space. If needed, remove large podcasts or videos first to prioritize your music. Click Apply or Sync to begin. Monitor the progress bar and avoid disconnecting the device until it finishes. Once complete, eject your iPhone or iPad properly to prevent corruption. If sync fails, first make sure both devices use the same Apple ID and that iCloud Music Library or Sync Library settings match. Sometimes turning Sync Library off then back on resolves conflicts. Also try a different USB cable, restart both devices, and free.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.